youth. Are we dreaming? I don't know. The whole fucking place white, bro. Fuckhead, are we dead? I don't know. Are we in heaven or hell? I don't know. Where's sexy lips? I don't know. Poochie? I don't know. Bobcat? I don't know. Nerdy? I don't know. Granny? I don't know. The mayor? I don't know. Fire Bean? I don't know. Dan? I don't know. Where are you? I don't know. Where's me? Jughead? I don't fucking know. Where's the fucking town? Could you just shut the fuck up and let me think? I don't know. Oh shit. That quick. Yeah! Let me slap you again and see where we go this time. You fucking mad? I don't know. You tough-faced tractor. I heard that a new gal on the block, bro. Oh yeah, really? Yep. You need a gal now. You have too much money. Yeah! Money, that money. I wonder if that gal look good. Long time me need a ride. Yo, my youth. Wagwan. I'm here, bro. Walking through the neighborhood. My youth. Bad man, no. Walk through woodland. Fix your mouth. It loose. I didn't say woodland. I say through the hoods. Bobcat. You're not learning. I'm growing ass man, bro. You fucking idiot. I know.
To be continued.